Welcome to the channel, Bike Rider. Today we're diving into the 2025 Suzuki RG250, a bike that has caught the attention of motorcycle enthusiasts everywhere. The RG250 brings back the spirit of Suzuki's legendary two-stroke sports bikes with modern enhancements and technology. Let's take a closer look at what makes this machine stand out. Engine and performance. The heart of the 2025 Suzuki RG250 is its 249cc two-stroke parallel twin engine. This rev-happy engine is designed to deliver a thrilling ride, offering the classic high-revving power band that made the original RG250 so iconic. With improved fuel injection technology and a revised exhaust system, the 2025 model has better efficiency and cleaner emissions without sacrificing that raw power and exhilarating sound. Expect a nimble ride with responsive throttle and a light, agile feel in the corners. Design and build. Suzuki has managed to blend nostalgia with modern styling in the 2025 RG250. The retro-inspired bodywork, including the sharp lines and compact design, takes us straight back to the 80s, but with a more refined look. The lightweight aluminum frame and updated ergonomics make this bike as easy to handle as it is to admire. Using the same materials as the Fetal Corpse model, the revised front and rear suspension have been tuned to handle both spirited street riding and tight track corners, while the sleek fairing ensures that the bike cuts through the wind with minimal drag. Technology and features. While it has the heart of a classic, the 2025 RG250 is also packed with modern technology. It comes with advanced electronics such as a ride-by-wire throttle, an anti-lock braking system, ABS, and a digital instrument cluster with all the essential information right at your fingertips. Suzuki's latest traction control system ensures that you get the most out of the bike's power without compromising safety. Handling and comfort. The RG250 is built for agility. Whether you're carving up tight corners on mountain roads or zipping through city traffic, this bike is incredibly nimble. The suspension has been finely tuned for a smooth ride, and the ergonomics are designed to give you a natural riding posture whether you're cruising or pushing the limits. The bike's lightweight design makes it incredibly flickable and responsive.